Hi everyone, Sandra here. It's Saturday, March 21st, and I found a bunch of stuff in my refrigerator that's kind of going by the wayside a little bit. So I had some cauliflower, some mini red peppers, 4 or 5 mini inward stalks of celery, 4 carrots, a bunch of green onions I just got from my Farm Fresh to You box, and Swiss chard, and I'm going to be putting that spinach right there into this stir fry. I decided against the mushrooms. I'm going to save that for a different video. And this in here is my go-to stir fry sauce. So what this is pretty much what I always have in my refrigerator, of course, from, like a month ago, which was a lifetime ago, for going grocery shopping. A little bit of soy sauce, some teriyaki marinade. I have fish sauce. I got it for like $1. Some brown sugar and some some garlic powder and some onion powder. And if I had fresh garlic, I would put that in there too. And then I added some cornstarch. I'm almost out, which is a bummer. But you want to add cornstarch to make it thick. And you have to put cornstarch in something when it's cold. Otherwise it doesn't thicken properly and it gets all. Don't worry about these lumps and bumps in here. This was from I just used the same bowl that I had my chopped veggies in. And I just made the sauce in there because it's all going here. So, whatever vegetables you have in your pantry, put them into a frying pan with a little oil, and I like to use my smoked salt, but you can use regular salt. I'm almost out of my smoked salt, so I'll be using kosher salt soon. And just stir them around. We like them crisp tender, but you can cook them as much as you wish. And then over here, let me just go zoom, I have rice in my rice cooker. So, it's a beautiful day today, nice and sunny. So anyway, I'm just going to be stir frying this. I'm going to add the spinach at the end, and that much spinach is going to make what, a tablespoon of spinach in here? Yeah. So stir that around, add that sauce, and then I'm going to put a bed of rice on a big platter and put all the veggies and tumble them over. And that's going to be lunch today when Johnny gets off of his airplane to visit for us. So if you want to add meat to this, I would cook the meat first and then put the veggies in. Take the meat out and then put the veggies in and then stir fry them and then add them all together. All right, that's all for today. PSA for the day, still be kind and watch my other videos, like and subscribe. Love you, bye.